Let's watch this video together for just 30 seconds.
When you rush go like say that they chase you.
Something no dey right.
I see person wey no suppose dey here.
I dey feel say people dey watch us so abeg no talk am loud. Trouble dey fly.
We got act normal. We go find out wetin dey happen moto but coded.
Now you guys have seen the video. I will show you how you can create something like this. What you just watch right now, I will be showing you how you can create something like this using Google Veo3. I will be showing you how you can use Google Veo3 to create something amazing like this. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because a part you decided to skip may be most important part you need to watch to get everything done alright. So don't skip any part. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will be showing you step by step and the new method which you can use to use Google Veo3 to create any type of video you want to create, like something you just watch right now. And meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and the most important thing, also the notification bell, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. Because in this channel we'll be teaching you how you can be using AI to create your videos, to create your image, and also design your image. Everything you need to know about AI will be teaching you in this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next we drop videos, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the new method and the step-by-step guidelines which you need to follow and use Google Veo3 and create something amazing like a short video you guys just watched moments ago. Let's go dive into it. This is the platform we'll be using. This is our Veo3. All we have to do is to click on new project, and when you click on new project, it will bring you to an interface like this. I will also show you how you will start to register on this platform and get this Veo3 by the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, you will miss everything. So all you just have to do, as you can see, you click on this place that said text to video, and you also click on this icon here. You click on it so that you can change this to Veo3. As you can see, Veo3 text to video with audio. Then you click on it. So you also check your output here. You put it at 1, because if you put it at 2, you are going to be losing your credit, because you'll be given 20 credit. Now the next thing you are going to do is to put your prompt here, what you want the video to be, how do you want the video to be. But I've already have my prompt. I've generated my prompt using ChatGPT. So I'll also show you guys how I generated the prompt by the end of this video. Now the next thing I will do is to go to ChatGPT. Now this is the prompt. This is the prompt I generated. I'll show you guys how I generate this prompt by the end of this video, how you can also generate something like this. But right now, let me just copy the prompt and put it on the platform so that it can generate the video for us. Now this is the prompt. I will copy it because I've already pasted the prompt on my notepad. I'll copy it here, from here to this place. This is the first prompt. Then I'll click on copied. After copied, I'll go to the flow. Then I'll paste it here. I'll paste it. Then I'll click on next. Now as you can see, it's generating it already. It's generating it. So let's just wait for some minutes so that it will complete generating it, and I'm going to play it for you guys and see. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do wait to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos and updates like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And don't forget to also like this video and comment in the comment section of this video. I want you to comment Veo3 in the comment section of this video. And if you also need a link of any of the updates on how you can be using AI, tell me in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to reply to everybody that comments in the comment section of this video. So don't forget to comment, and don't forget to also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that when next I drop more videos, you also be among of the people to watch the video. Now this thing is still generating. Let's just give it some minutes. It's less than 20 to 30 that it will count, and it is going to be completed, and I'm going to play it for you guys to listen to. Now as you guys can see, it has successfully generated. Now this is it. Let me play it so that you guys can see.
Say that they chase you.
Something no dey right.
I see person wey no suppose dey here. When you dey rush go like say that they chase you.
Something no dey right.
I see person wey no suppose dey here. When you dey rush go like say that they chase you.
So you guys have seen it. So we can decide to generate our next prompt. That is our next scene. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on you reuse prompt here. When we click on reuse prompt, as you can see, this is our prompt that we just use right now. Then let's copy the new second scene. As you can see, this is the second scene here. I have the second scene here. So all I just have to do, I will copy and come to the Veo3. I'll clear this up and paste it. Then I'll click on generate. And see the one that is generated for us before. So let's leave it for it to load again. You can do this to all your scene. You can do this to all your scene. All you just have to do, I will show you. Sorry, we have some errors. Let me retry it again. It may be from my network because my network is not that much good. So before I show you guys how you can generate more, let me show you how you can download this to get the best quality. And to do that, you click on this download. When you click on download, you click on this on scale. When you click on this on scale, as you can see, it's on scale right now. So let's just leave it for some minutes. And this costs for 0 credit. You don't need credit to do this, so that when you download it to your phone, it will have the best quality. So let's just wait for it to download on scale. After it's on scale, then we click on download. It will just take some few minutes. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on download. After it's scale finish, then you click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Now I'm generating our second scene already. I don't want this video to be so long. You can generate your scene. Don't worry, I will show you how you can create all your scene. The prompt you will use, I will show you everything in ChatGPT. But right now, let's just generate our scene. Let's generate our scenes. So as you can see, now this is our second scene right here.
Now warning. They say make you no talk. Wetin be this one again? Now warning. They say make you no talk.
So as you guys can
Wetin
see,
be this one again?
this is our second scene. Don't worry, I will also tell you how you can combine this together, how you can join everything together. Now as you guys can see, this is our second scene. So we can also download it. Now let me take you guys to our third scene. Our third scene, now let's copy our third scene. This is our third scene here. We copy it. Let's copy it. Then we go back to the flow. So we paste it here also. We paste it here and we click on generate. Now it's generating it for us. So let's wait for it to load. Now I want us to do this thing so that I will not waste much of your time. So let me post it, and after I generate all the scene, I'll also show you how you can match everything together, how you can edit everything together so that it will sound so nice that if anybody see it, it will look so nice the way you watch it at the beginning of this video. So let me post this video and continue it so that I can save every scene and come and merge it together. Now I'm done with all the script. As you can see, I'm done with all the script. So the next thing, I'm going to go to my CapCut where I'll be merging everything together, where I'll be editing everything. So let me go to CapCut. So you can use any editing app, but me, I love using CapCut. Then I'll click on add new project. So these are all my scenes. As you can see, these are all my scenes. Now this is the first scene, and this is the second scene, this is the third scene, and this is the this is the second scene, this is the third scene, this is the third scene, and this is the last scene. I've added everything together. Now all I just need to do is just to edit it. So let me play it so that you guys can see.
Like say dem dey chase you.
Something no dey right.
I see person wey no suppose dey here.
I dey feel say people dey watch us, so abeg no talk am loud.
As you
Trouble
can
dey
see,
fly.
We got to act normal. We go find out wetin dey happen, moto. But code.
so you can just edit everything how you want it to be, how you want everything should be. You can edit it. So now let me show you guys how I do my prompt. I prompt ChatGPT to write this prompt for me. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. So let me take you guys up. Now as you can see, the first I say hello ChatGPT, answer me. I say, do you know about Google Veo3? He say yes, I knew. So you write something about Google Veo3, what Google Veo3 will do. So in this prompt, I say, okay, I want you to create me consistent 1 minute video scene of a like a Nollywood. Every scene should have same character of. I will just paste the script, the prompt I use in the description of this video. After I tell him what I want, I just tell him what I want, and ChatGPT decided to create me a prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt. This is this prompt. He writes me this prompt. So I go ahead and say I want you to prompt it like 6 scenes, because you know Google Veo3 do not generate the video at once. So he decided to prompt it, as you can see, decided to share everything prompt by prompt. So that is why I get my prompt. In fact, all you just have to do, just go to ChatGPT. If you know how to use ChatGPT or you don't know how to use ChatGPT, just tell him what you want. ChatGPT, talk to ChatGPT like you are talking to your partner. Talk to ChatGPT and it's going to do what you want. You don't need to be, people will be telling you, use my prompt, use this prompt. You are the one that will prompt it yourself. Just tell him what you want, how you want him to do it, and you read the prompt and he's going to do it for you. So now, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.